In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. If you've been locked out and don't have access to a recovery phone or backup email, don't worry. There's still a reliable way to get back in by leaning on Google's built-in trust signals. Start by using a familiar device and location. This is more important than it sounds. Grab the same phone, tablet, or computer you used before with this account and try the recovery process from a place you usually sign in, like your home or office. Avoid VPNs or private browsing and stay on your regular Wi-Fi if possible. These details help Google recognize that it's really you. Next, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will do. In the search bar, type Gmail account recovery and hit search. You're looking for the official Google result titled How to Recover Your Google or Gmail Account. Open that link. Make sure you're on a Google domain before proceeding. Avoiding third-party tools keeps your account safe. On that page, scroll until you see the option that says Forgot Your Password and click the recovery link. This takes you into the official flow designed for situations exactly like this. Enter the Gmail address you want to recover and select. Next, double check for typos. Something as small as an extra character can cause the process to fail or send you in circles. Now follow Google's verification process on screen. Even without a phone number or recovery email, Google can often verify you using device recognition, your typical location, and your past sign-in behavior. You might be asked for information that only you would know, and it's okay if you don't remember everything perfectly. Just answer as accurately as you can. Stay patient, keep the browser window open, and avoid refreshing or switching devices mid-process. If it doesn't work right away, trying again later from the same trusted place and device can make a difference. Once access is restored, immediately change your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. A longer passphrase that mixes words, numbers, and symbols can be both secure and memorable. This step protects your account and reduces the chance of future lockouts. This works because Google looks for patterns that match your usual activity. When the device looks familiar, the location aligns with previous logins, and your behavior makes sense. Google can confidently say, "This looks like you." That's it. You now know how to recover a Gmail account without a phone number or recovery email by using trusted device and location signals. Stay safe and keep your new password secure.